If you want to set a song as a ringtone on Google Pixel 10a, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're gonna proceed to Sound and Vibration. In here, scroll down a little bit and go to the ringtone option. Now in the ringtone, we should be able to tap on My Sounds, and then in here you can use this plus button in the bottom right corner. Now in here you will probably have something like this view, and you can try to find your song, for example on Google Drive on your Google account, or if you have your song saved on your phone, then of course we can go to the audio category instead. Here in the upper left corner we can tap on this hamburger icon, or burger icon actually, and we can decide to use one of these categories that we have in here in order to locate your audio file. So once you find your audio file, your song, then you should be able to tap on it to add it to the list, and then remember to select it from this list and press on save in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.